Hi guys! Welcome sa ASIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on conditional statement. Tuloy yung discussion natin on converse, inverse, tsaka contrapositive. So let's have more examples. Dito yung ating example ng if-then statement ay if it is raining then I will not go out. So meaning this is our P, our antecedent or hypothesis, and this is our Q, which is our consequent or conclusion. So, i-form natin yung converse niyan, which is Q implies P. Pag Q implies P, ibig sabihin, if Q, then P. Yan yung format ng converse. So, ang Q natin ay I will not go out. Pagpapalitin lang natin, no? This time, ang antecedent naman natin ay Q. So, if I will not go out, then it is raining. Yung consequent naman natin yung it is raining. Alright, paano naman yung inverse? Yung inverse, negation ng P, magiging not P siya, and negation ng Q, magiging not Q. So yung P, lalagyan natin siya ng not, no? Para siya maging negation ng P. So yung magiging format natin ay if not P, then not Q. Ano ang P natin? It is raining. So lalagyan natin siya ng not para siya maging negation ng P. If it is not raining, then remember yung ating Q ay I will not go out, no? Pag ninegate natin siya, magiging I will go out. Kabaliktaran, no? So magiging then I will go out. So if it is not raining, then I will go out. Paano yung contrapositive? Pag nagawa nyo na yung inverse, madali na yung contrapositive kasi naka-not P tsaka naka-not Q na kayo eh. Babaliktarin nyo lang siya, no? And from the inverse statement, yung not Q natin ay itong statement na to, no? At ang not P natin, not P, ay itong statement na ito. So babaliktarin lang natin, no? Yung magiging format natin, if not Q, then not P. So, if I will go out, then it is not raining. Ulitin ko, binaliktad lang natin to. Let's have one more example. If n is not divisible by 2, then n is odd. So, n is not divisible by 2, ito yung P natin. And then, yung n is odd is our Q. So, yung original statement natin ay if P, then Q, or P implies Q. So, again, we form the converse. Babaliktarin lang natin yung Q and P. Magiging if Q, then P. So, if, ano ang Q natin? N is odd. Then, ano ang P natin? N is not divisible by 2. Next, we have the inverse. Not P implies not Q naman ito, no? Pag sinulat natin sa if-then format, magiging if not P, then not Q. Ang P natin ay N is not divisible by 2. Ano ang negation yun? Pag nilagyan natin ng not, magiging not P. May not tayo dito, tapos may not din tayo dito sa may P. Ibig sabihin, tatanggalin natin yung not, no? Para natin siya manegate. If N is divisible by 2, so natanggal na yung not kasi not P siya eh. Then, paano naman yung not Q? Yung Q ay wala siyang not. So pag ginawa mo siyang not Q or negation, lalagyan mo siya ng not kasi wala siya. So, magiging N is not odd. And sa contrapositive, babalik-talin lang natin yung inverse, no? So, ito yung antecedent na naman natin at ito yung ating consequent. So, babalik-talin naman natin yan para siya maging contrapositive. If N is not odd, then N is divisible by 2. Okay? So, I think yung pinaka-key idea dito ay pag yung P mo, yung buong statement mo ay may not, pag ninegate mo siya, ginawa mo siyang not, tatanggalin mo yung not. Pag wala siyang not, yung statement at ninegate mo siya, lalagyan mo siya ng not. Alright? So, I think that's the change here compared with the previous video. That's it. Sana na-master nyo na yung pag-convert ng conditional statement sa converse, inverse, tsaka contrapositive niya. I'll see you in the next video.